Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. So let's start our video which is on butterflies. I'm going to make different type of rainbow butterflies by using acrylic color. So the first butterfly is in pink color. As you can see, I'm using the pink acrylic color. With the help of pointed brush, I'm creating these wings of the butterfly. The black outline makes your butterfly more charming, so with the help of this black color I'm going to create the details in the wings. So in just a seconds you can make a wonderful butterfly. You can see it is very easy process, and especially for beginners who face problems for using pointed brush, you can make a butterfly with this easiest method. So just putting these small dots in the wings to make it more attractive. So this first butterfly is ready. So let's move to the next one. I am going to use all the rainbow colors in this butterfly. So the pink, orange, green, neon, every colors you can use, and it is very easy. You just need to create these lines in a proper manner and your butterfly will be ready. As you can see, you just need to match these lines to create these wings, and the black outline is also the best trick to make your butterfly completely looking good. So in just seconds our second butterfly is also almost ready. And don't forget to put those white dots in the outer line and just providing some shadings in the wings. That will give a complete look to your butterfly. So the last step is applying a top coat to give a shinier look. Let's move to the third one. I'm going to use those colors again, but in this the shape will be little different. As you can see, I'm just applying these lines on the tip. Again, you just need to match these lines to create wings, as you can see. And the last step is making a outer line with black color again and putting some white dots. Make sure you are using the pointed brush so you can give the more detail to your butterfly. It is very easy to use this pointed brush. And the last step, just give the last look. Use the top coat, the shinier one. And thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.